Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we solved the problems on integral of the form. Today, let us solve the problems on integration by parts. Integration by parts. There is a formula to solve the problems on integration by parts. So, integration of uv, two functions are there. So, here the formula is first function integration of second function minus integration of second function differentiation of first function. So this is the formula for the integration by parts. Then you have to remember I let I means inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, then exponential functions. So we can change in this integration by parts, we can change the u as in first function, v as in first function, or u as in first function. In the first function, it should be first inverse trigonometric function, then second logarithmic function, algebraic functions, then trigonometric functions, then exponential functions. You have to choose the first as an inverse, then second option is logarithmic, then algebraic, then trigonometric, then exponential functions. Okay, let us take the problem here. Evaluate integration of x e to the power of x dx. So in this, x is an algebraic function. Okay, then we can consider the first function as an u. So we should know the formula. So this is an u, this is an v. Okay, so let us apply the formula here. First function integration of second function, then integration of second function differentiation of first function. Then x as it is, integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x, then e to the power of x, integration e to the power of x, differentiation of x is 1, then dx. Again we have to integrate x e to the power of x, integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of x sin x dx. Okay, so x is an exponential function. Okay, x is an algebraic function. So here we can take the u as in first function, v as in second function, x as in first, and sin x as in second function. So let us apply the formula here. So x is in first function, integration of second function sin x minus integration of sin x differentiation of x, then x as it is, sin x differentiation is minus cos x then integration of sin x is minus cos x, differentiation of x is 1, then minus x, cos x minus into minus plus, integration of cos x with respect to x, then minus x cos x plus cos x differentiation, integration is sin x plus c. Okay. Take on the next problem here. Integration of log x. Integration of log x. So here he has given the only one function, but we have to do in the integration by parts. We have to assume that here 1 is there. So u should be taken as a first function. So first function preference is by seeing this I late means logarithmic. We have to give the preference for logarithmic. Logarithmic as an u. We have to consider log x as an u. And here nothing is there means 1. 1 is there, we have to assume. Then this should be considered as an v. And apply the formula here. The first function is log x, integration of 1 dx, again integration of 1 dx, then differentiation of log x dx, then log x as it is, integration of 1 is x, then 1 integration is x, then log x differentiation is 1 by x dx, then x get cancelled, so log x into x, or we can write x log x minus integration of 1 dx. Again if you integrate x log x minus x plus c. Take down the next problem. Evaluate integration of x log x. So here we can interchange log x as an first function, x as an second function, log x into x. Let us apply the formula here. Log x integration of x dx minus integration of log x dx, differentiation of x, then log x is 1 by x, x differentiation integration is x square by 2, then integration of log x is 1 by x, sorry, I've done some mistake here. So we have to apply the formula here. Log x as a first function, integration of x second function integration minus integration of again you have to integrate here x integration, then differentiation of log x, here log x integration of x is x square by 2, integration of here integration of x is x square by 2, differentiation of x is log x means 1 by x dx. Here you can cancel this x and this x, then we can write x square by 2 into log x, then you can remove 1 by 2 as a constant, the remainder is x. Again integration of x square by 2 plus c, then x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Take out the next problem. Integration of x square secant square x. So here we can take x as an first function, secant square x as an second function. Okay, so first function integration of secant square x dx minus integration of secant square x dx, then differentiation of x. Here x as it is, secant square differentiation is tan x, integration is tan x minus tan x, differentiation of x is 1, then x tan x integration is log of secant x plus c. Yeah. Okay. Take down the assignment questions. Integration of x cos x, integration of x secant square to x, integration of x cosecant square x, integration of x cos ax, integration of x a to the power of 5x dx, integration of x cos square x dx, integration of x tan square x dx, integration of x square sin x, integration of x square e to the power of x, integration of x to the power of 5 log x dx, integration of x square cos 3x, integration of x square e to the power of ax dx, x to the power of n log x dx, integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x. Okay, these are the assignment questions we have to solve.